Hello guys, welcome back. Remember in the first lesson of this session of partner programs, we learned about this program, how to print a horizontal line of stars patterns, right? So now I'm going to show you how to print these 5 stars vertically, right, in the vertical line. So without delaying, let us get started. But please, before started, make subscribe, like, share, and give us your comment in the comment section if you have any question about this tutorial, right? So let us start now. To do this, first what we need is just to put here end line, so that after printing this star, automatically we will get or start a new line. So what we need to do here is just to put here another statement of end line like this, south end line like this, right? Once I save it and make compilation again, let us now run our program. Yeah, you see, automatically our output will be vertical line now, right? So this is the role of end line here. Once we want to start a new line, we use this statement end line. So you see now, after printing each star, we start a new line. That's why now is printed as a vertical line. So thank you for watching this video. Please let me remind you to make subscribe, to like this video, and share it to your colleagues. So let us meet in the next video.